Hi everybody, my name is Eric van Stockholm here at the Care Community GCCM in LATAM in beautiful Sao Paulo. And today I have a guest, a good old friend of mine, and Allan is here, CEO of Telecall. Allan, thank you and welcome to
Pleasure.
To the CCTV. Allan, to bump into the door, what's the latest actually with Telecall? Tell me.
A lot of new exciting things for us in the region. We're launching our MVNO in Brazil. It's a very cool concept that we bring into the market. We come in as a full MVNO with going to be also an MVNE and an MVNA.
Okay.
So we are offering the MVNO platform that we get into the ISPs in the market. You know that Brazil have thousands of local regional
Zillions, yes,
of ISPs. So we want to accelerate the MVNO business here in Brazil. We're coming with new technology, new ideas, focus on special niches. For example, us in Telecall, we serve a lot of the B2B market, enterprise market. So we're coming with the split billing, DPI, SDN over mobile to do private and security, a lot of different things, a lot of cool ideas. So we're bringing all the expertise that we have on our voice business, on our Centrex business, with the collab business, that solution that we have, and we're expanding that to the mobile market. So that generates a lot of interesting ideas.
Okay. When is the launch date? What are you hoping for?
Last quarter of this year.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it was supposed to be earlier, but.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, we're in telco, so
yeah.
that happens.
And again, it's a full MVNO, so we deploy our own core network and we do on our own interconnections, which is a lot of work.
And tough.
Yeah.
And tough.
Yeah.
And tough. I can imagine. Did you have to adapt a new business model because entering as well in the mobile market actually for Telecall? I mean, did you have to adapt a new business model?
Yeah, I mean, I don't believe on the MVNO just to put my name on a SIM card.
Doesn't work like this.
It doesn't work.
No.
So you need to understand what the market you're addressing, what are the needs, what are the pain points, and come up with solutions. And the solutions that we come in are exactly to the enterprise market that have, either a security issue or they have a bill impact,
sure,
or So the split billing that you can have a personal and a business phone number in the same SIM card, for example, is one of the solutions.
Okay.
Mobile PBX with IVR, split billing for data as well. So the enterprise can say, this type of user is not going to access Netflix during its work time. I'm not going to pay for that,
no,
or YouTube. So that kind of flexibility in putting the package is built in.
Okay.
And we give full administration for the enterprise to choose and mix and do whatever they want with their clients. Something that in today's market, they don't have. First, they don't have access. They have no idea how much one of their employees is using of data,
of course not,
and they just pay for the bundle, and that's it.
Yeah.
So with that, we're not competing on price. We're competing on a solution.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
on the security side, for example, we can also create dedicated VPNs inside already the mobile devices through GCCM, SDN, and directing that to, let's say, a private cloud for the enterprise or a finance institution or a bank. So we can add a lot of interesting features.
Okay. Are you focusing more on the consumer market or on the enterprise market, or both of them?
Well, Telecall is focused on the enterprise market. Okay, but since we're providing the ISPs with the platform, we're coming up with also other solutions that can be used with the DPI and all the technology that we're deploying. So for the consumer market, for example, we're using the same technology for parent control. So you have a kid and you want to give them allowance, how much they can use of internet or what they're accessing. We can also filter that.
Okay, that's That's a very good thing, an exciting thing.
Again, it's not a pricing, it's more a solution.
Yeah, okay.
Obviously, price is always important, but
But absolutely, but thinking from solutions.
yes,
And that's probably by the end of the day, which the end customer wants, actually.
exactly.
That's what they want. IoT is such a buzzword. We know this.
Yeah.
What is your take on IoT?
Again, we are getting a lot of new ideas, involvements on different solutions in the Brazil market, and we want to expand that as well. But I think one of the plays, if we think about the network itself of the IoT and how IoT as a network perspective is getting the demands that we have today, permanent roaming is not allowed in Brazil.
Correct.
So you have one issue. With eSIMs or virtual SIMs, UICC technology, the vendors are expecting to have a better solution with that, and we're implementing that on our network so we can serve vendors that have UICC enabled already on the devices to actually use our solution for M2M or IoT. That's something that we, again, deploying new technology, getting ahead in the market to be able to provide a differentiator for vendors that are trying to get access to the Brazil network.
So using the technology which exists today, combined with innovative services, you want to be number one in the market.
Yeah.
That sounds really exciting. So, future. How do you see the future? And not only Brazil, but maybe as well you can spread a little bit and share your knowledge of the region.
The telco market in Latin America it's evolving a lot. So we have new cable systems that are arriving. We have a lot of capacity being installed. We have the IoT, which is a big buzzword. We have big data. We have machine learning. I think all that combined, and with the LATAM new economy, I think things are going to start to change quite a lot. Brazilians and Latin Americans, they are very good in innovating, in creating. They're very creative.
And adapting new services and using them.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and very tech savvy and early adopters. So I believe a lot of new things are going to start to happen in.
Okay, that's really exciting.
It is.
Thank you for being with me.
Thank
you for being here with CCTV, and thank you everybody. That's a wrap.